Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the text you will change. Make a copy so you can undo mistakes. Once done, open a text editor that supports find/replace or regular expressions. Make sure you understand the goal. Do you want to remove every space between words, or just collapse multiple adjacent spaces into a single space? If you want to preserve punctuation spacing, note that now. This preparation prevents accidental loss of structure and speeds the next step. Now perform the actual replacement. For collapsing duplicates, open find/replace, enable rejects, search for 2 or more spaces using the pattern to or \s2, and replace with a single space. If you need to remove all spaces between words, find a single space and replace with nothing, but be careful. This merges words completely. Test on a small selection first. Check hyphenation and punctuation. If your editor lacks rejects, repeat replacing double spaces until none remain. Finish by scanning the document for errors introduced by removal. Look for joined words after punctuation, names or abbreviations like Dr. Jane that need a space, and reinstate spaces where meaning breaks. If results are wrong, immediately undo or restore your backup copy. For large jobs, create a script or editor macro to repeat the correct pattern reliably. If unexpected behavior persists, check for non-breaking spaces or special characters and normalize white space before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.